Hey everyone, the Minisforum AtomMan G1 Pro arrives as one of the most ambitious compact PCs the company has ever produced, built for people who want serious power without committing to a traditional full-size tower. From the moment you see it, it's clear that Minisforum is positioning the G1 Pro as a premium solution for creators, designers, and gamers who expect workstation-class performance in a form factor you can place almost anywhere. What makes it especially interesting is how confidently it blends desktop-grade hardware with a footprint that feels more like a console than a computer. At the heart of the G1 Pro is AMD's Ryzen 9 8945HX. Minisforum stresses that this chip doesn't simply perform well in short bursts. The cooling system is built to sustain its top speeds even during long, intensive loads. Paired with this is NVIDIA's new desktop class GeForce RTX 5060 running at 145 watt, a GPU that elbows its way into territory usually reserved for much larger rigs. According to Minisforum's internal tests, the G1 Pro's RTX 5060 outperforms the mobile RTX 4060 by roughly 25%, and in real-world use, that translates into smoother rendering, higher gaming frame rates, and more headroom for demanding creative work. DLSS 4 support and hardware ray tracing elevate performance further, while the 614 TOPS of AI compute open the door to faster video workflows, high-resolution upscaling, architectural previews, and generative AI projects. This wouldn't be possible without proper thermal engineering, and Minisforum clearly spent time here. The G1 Pro uses a third-generation Glacier cooling system designed to handle up to 300 watts of heat output. It draws cool air from the front of the chassis and expels hot air through the top and rear, keeping the internal temperature under control even when both CPU and GPU are under maximum load. What makes this even more impressive is that everything is packed into a 3.8-liter vertical chassis with an integrated 350-watt power supply. Inside, the G1 Pro offers modern, generous expandability for its size. Two PCIe 4.0 NVMe slots support up to 8 terabytes total SSD storage, and memory can be configured up to 96 gigs of DDR5. Connectivity is equally robust. Between dual HDMI 2.1 ports, 3 display ports, including 2 DP 2.1 for high-bandwidth monitors, and the ability to run up to 4 displays simultaneously, the G1 Pro easily adapts to complex workflows. Add in USB-C, multiple USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, 5 gigabit Ethernet LAN, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.4, and it becomes clear that Minisforum aim for a system as versatile as it is powerful. Minisforum also includes a dedicated software control center, allowing users to adjust performance profiles depending on their environment. The same interface gives users direct control over fan curves, system monitoring, and the subtle RGB lighting that runs along the chassis. The exterior design leans more toward clean, modern minimalism than aggressive gaming aesthetics. What ultimately defines the G1 Pro is how much performance Minisforum has managed to pack into such a small enclosure. It doesn't try to replace a high-end ATX build for enthusiasts who want maximum upgrade paths. But for creators, professionals, and gamers who value a compact, stylish system with genuine desktop-class power, it's a compelling option. With a starting price of $1,430 and availability worldwide, the G1 Pro enters the market as a premium compact PC, but one that justifies its price with a confident blend of power, thermal engineering, and thoughtful design. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.